engine number 2. Flight director on. Oh, you don't have to on the others. Let's come down for that. Okay, so do a takeoff configuration here. Alright, all the brakes to max. Alright, just turn your head sets. 6. Just resting on the head.
Okay.
Alright. And yeah, auto brakes to max.
Maximum.
Signs on. All the way up. Okay, you can turn on this.
Alright.
And you can turn this off. Okay. Then on the arm this, right? Okay, spoilers arm.
Switch on.
Okay, flaps to 1.
To 1. Okay. Done.
Okay, takeoff configuration. Press one more time.
Okay.
Alright. And
Alright.
then let's put it. Okay, so. Right hand. Put your hands here.
Okay.
Yep. And park brakes off. Yep, it's off. Ensure normal and put it to flex. One more click up. No,
Right.
one more. Just here. Yep.
Okay.
Don't step on the brakes.
Okay.
Okay. 100 knots.
Check.
V1, rotate.
Okay.
Positive rate of climb. Gear up.
Up.
Okay. Flaps 0. Speed brake disengaged.
Okay.
Okay. Autopilot's on.
Switch on.
Thrust climb. Okay. Now all the thrust is set. Autopilot is on. Now we've got it. Okay. Hang on. It's going above 20 degrees. Okay, turn all the power on. Okay, great. Disengage it again. Hand slide. Okay, very soon you will reach the next waypoint and it's going to make you turn. Okay, so the next waypoint you reached is here.
Okay.
Pitch down. Okay, let's climb to 11,000 and then now we pull standard. Pull to standard. Okay, now we're using flight level.
Okay.
Alright. You can actually hand fly if you like to. No, you do not on that one. That one is used for localizer.
Guys, okay.
Okay, this is the arm on the approach. Okay, you do not use this until you come down for landing.
Okay.
Now you're on autopilot. So if you like to hand flight manually, you can use this. You can press either this or you can press the red button here. Okay, 200, 340 is good. 40. Try not to go that high because you want to be that high. 20,000. Let's put it 20,000. And I'll turn. Yep.
Okay.
And you pull. And what's the runway that we're expecting for WMKK?
Runway 14 left.
14 left. Okay. Okay, try hand flight.
Okay.
Now pitch up. Okay, follow the flight director if you're gonna fly manually. Okay, now pitch up, pitch up. No, no, no. Pitch up, pitch up. Pitch up. Yep. Pitch down. Good.
Also for the English.
Okay, and then you will continue to climb to flight level 200.
Okay. Change heading to navigation.
Sorry?
Change heading to navigation.
No, this one will be at heading.
Okay.
Yeah. If you're wondering where we are right now, we're currently here. Okay, this is where we're gonna be. Okay, so this is where we are.
Okay.
Okay. This is where we took off from, which is near to the coast of the sea.
Okay, yeah.
Our current position is here. This is our destination.
Yeah.
So this is where we are now. restart this, all your waypoints will be gone.
Hmm.
So if you want me to restart, I can actually restart it nearer to you. And you can put in your ILS frequency and
Yeah,
all
okay.
details like
It's
that.
okay.
Okay. Because if I restart this,
Yeah.
all waypoint.
We start somewhere in Batu Angang BOR.
So you want me to restart?
Yes.
I can restart and then we can track what's that BOR.
No, we start in if we already approach BBA.
Okay, so maybe
Okay.
after that you tell me.
Yeah.
Right. So we're about 1/4 way there already. You know?
Yeah. It should be 45 minutes flight.
Should be very fun.
Views.
Let's put on the cruise page to see. And right now it's not climbing or descending, that's why cabin vertical speed is 0. And now we can put the seatbelt signs to auto. And no smoking signs to auto as well. You can put auto. Yep. Alright, so our next waypoint is gonna be at Agosa.
Yes, correct.
Okay, that is when we can come down for the landing procedure. You can go ahead if you want to.
Yeah.
So 14 left is going to be ILS DME approach.
Okay.
Okay, so we will be coming in from this waypoint, the last one, as we see from Batu Arang here.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is not where we're gonna come in from. Okay, so
Okay.
we will track from here, and then we're gonna come in and approach here. So in case of missed approach, this is where you're gonna do for the missed approach procedures.
Okay. Okay.
Alright. So we're about halfway through the journey right now. So we're here. Shall we reduce our altitude to 15,000?
Okay.
Yep. Okay, and pull.
Could you reset the chronometer right now?
Sorry?
Reset the chronometer right now.
Okay, sure.
Okay. I will landing. I
From the
will
opposite.
3 to left.
Okay.
But I coming from WKM.
Alright. Okay, put this seatbelt signs on. On, alright. And then we can push down to 101. Push down, 101, yep. Because we are gonna be below 10,000. Okay, so this is how it's gonna be. Okay. Okay, we will track on the Kuala Lumpur VOR, which is VKL.
Yeah.
Okay, so put this one in here, VKL as 116.1. Go to radio navigation frequency.
Alright.